Hey everybody, RI Jeeper here. I'm just going to do a quick mod on the Jeep. I'm going to add some Delrin Hinge pin inserts. Should be a quick mod, only a few minutes, hopefully. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do here is remove the nuts. Now these doors have never been off, sadly. So I don't know what kind of difficulty we're going to run into. Hopefully they're not too corroded, but living here in the Northeast, you never know. Alright, oh, that was easy enough. So now I have the Quadra Tech Kit, which is basically piece of emery cloth, 4 of the Delrin Hinge pin inserts, and their removal tool. So what we are going to do is insert the removal tool in the bottom of the hinge. I'm going to go grab a hammer because, as usual, I've forgotten a tool, and we're going to pound this sucker out. There's one. There's 2. So now I'm just going to clean up these hinge pins a little bit. Alright, I'll add a little grease to that, slap the Delrin inserts in, and we should be good to go. Clean these up too. Alright, so those slid in pretty easy. Just make sure that you do clean the inside of the hinge pin hole, because there was, even though these doors haven't been off, there was some corrosion in there. Northeast salt and whatnot. Yay. But those went in pretty simple, and the door came off easier than I thought it was going to, considering. So I'm going to put this door back on, and we'll do the other side. Coffee. One. That one's a little tight. Just going to clean that hole out a little bit more. Let's see how that is. Looks clear. Oh yeah, there we go. Alright. So I'm gonna, you don't need to put the cardboard on there, I'm just a little OCD. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna grease those hinge pins that are on the door, clean those up, and put the door back on, and we'll be done. So once again, it's alright, Jeeper here. Quick mod. I know I'm all out of breath. That's what happens when you smoke for 20 years. Not good. Doing a quick mod. Delrin door hinge pin inserts. And everyone hang loose, and talk to you soon.